Hello guys, Hatam for projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you iPhone Max and his issues, okay? Number one issue we talk about that the MeMoji is completely useless, doesn't work, okay? See, he detected my face, now I'll do, okay? He have issues, grab your face, wait, I will tell you, see now, see, every time he's stuck. Look, I now stand in front of his face, okay? See, he's stuck every time. And when I stand in front of his face, see, every time he's stuck. It's not accuracy. And when I record, look guys, now I record, right? I stop. And when I record, look guys, now I record, right? You cannot send it anywhere. It's not, see, the camera point here. Look, there is, please see in another videos on YouTube in MeMoji. You find that you can press this camera button. You got me? There is only way to enter through MeMoji. How? You enter through here, MeMoji, through messages, and then you go to camera. After I create my face here. See, or your face or whatever. I create my face. After you create your face, you can open camera here, and you can go to MeMoji. You can send it through WhatsApp, through Emo, Viber. No, as for me here, see, it's not working. And I did update, I contact Apple store, and they didn't say for me, they say we don't know, what's this, we don't know. You know guys, there is a lot of versions from iPhone Max that MeMoji does not work. See, this is number one. Number two, guys, be careful. There is a lot of iPhone versions that Wi-Fi is not grabbing, okay? There's Wi-Fi problem. So you have to manage this. Number three, you know guys, internet hotspot here. Oh my god, you know, I have a Samsung S9 and thanks God that I have Samsung Note 9, sorry, okay? Samsung Note 9, when you just open mobile hotspot, turn on, and that's it. You got me? You turn on and you start share internet to people. No, here, you have to, when you turn on, okay, I will show you. When you turn on and you enter, you have to enter password, you have to enter IP, you have to enter a lot of shit options that he will start to work. This is completely tiredful. I'm so sad that MeMoji is not work. You know, it's held here, ECG is not support. I don't have ECG. You know, they said because maybe you are not inside the United States. I changed my region. I changed it to USA. Also, ECG does not work here. You know guys, camera quality, completely shit, you know. Camera, I will show you now, for example, let's say, I don't like camera quality. Look, let's say here, we will do photo. I will show you now. I will show you, it's not appear that much, but you know, the quality of the photo, you know guys, when we took photos by Note 9, no compare for the quality. Honestly, the quality is completely bullshit, and it's not beautiful. The phone have fingerprint on all screen, too much fingerprint. I will show you something else. And the second thing, you cannot, to be honest with you guys, there's no compare between him and Note 9. This is, I just not say this. You can go to any video comparison YouTube, and you can watch, including my video that I posted now, and you can see the issues. You can see the difference between them. See how Note 9 is really useful phone, and this trash is is completely useless phone. If you wanna complicate your life, if you wanna buy things that you want just show with her, buy iPhone. B20X still better than iPhone. To be honest with you, I not see anything useful in this phone, and all his applications are useless. This except music. Music here is so tireful to download programs, to download music. Popcorn, you have to go to application, download him this one to download Popcorn. Why I need to do this? Even benchmark this one, this Geekbench 4. This is with $1 that I already is for free for Samsung. I downloaded here. I downloaded for $1. Everything here is useless. You have to run behind programs for music that you can download music and play. I mean, the screen quality not deserve, and it's dark. You got me? I mean, to be honest with you, I didn't like this phone, and I'm not satisfied about it. Stay away from this. It's not deserve the money that you spend it for. With this money for iPhone, you can buy phone and watch together with Samsung and be satisfied and happy. This is completely big propaganda and trash. So guys, this was my opinion about iPhone Max after now 2 months and a half use. Stay away from this shit and don't waste your money and time for this. See you again with another video with Hatam Ali for objection, and peace and love for everyone.